Hey, it's Dan Emmons, and this is Bite-Sized Blockchain.
In a past episode, we discussed some of the most notable up-and-coming altcoins. They each offer their pros and cons, and not all coins are alike. Some cryptocurrencies offer a complete twist on technology, and the underlying protocols can offer much more than just a store of value and money transfer. Today, we're discussing Ethereum, as described by its popular co-founder, Vitalik Buterin. Thanks to modern communication, we have the power to create technologies that are decentralized, removing middlemen, and allow users to directly interact with each other on a global network. Decentralized applications are becoming more and more important in the last 10 years, and have benefits of massively reducing costs and barriers to entry, remove single points of failure, prevent censorship, and ensure transparency and trust between all parties involved in an interaction. BitTorrent, a file-sharing network, is arguably the first decentralized application to have been created. BitTorrent allows anyone to share any kind of file with anyone else in the world, allowing people to distribute content quickly and easily, even if they don't have the resources to pay for their own website or server. 5 years later, Satoshi Nakamoto came up with the idea of a blockchain, a sort of distributed database, and used it to build Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized currency. Decentralized currencies like Bitcoin allow people to send money instantly anywhere around the world with no regard for national borders and negligible fees. Bitcoin is increasingly being used for international remittances, micropayments, and commerce online. Decentralized applications for finance, cloud computing, messaging, and distributed governance are soon to come. Ethereum is a platform that is specifically designed for people to build these kinds of distributed applications, or dApps for short. The Ethereum client, which is now known as Mist, will include a peer-to-peer network for sending messages and a generalized blockchain with a built-in programming language, allowing people to use blockchain for any type of decentralized application that they want to create. Ethereum can be used to build financial applications that are fully trustworthy and transparent because they run on the blockchain. These dApps include cryptographically secure systems for managing property and contracts, social networking, and messaging systems that allow users to maintain control of their own data, systems for trading underutilized computational resources like CPU time and hard drive space, and eventually, tools for online voting and distributed governance. The most exciting applications for Ethereum are probably the ones that we haven't even thought of. As with all new platforms and innovation, like the protocols that underlie the internet itself, it is not always easy to predict what they're going to be used for. Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the modern internet as a whole are all a result of early developments in the World Wide Web and JavaScript, the modern programming language of the World Wide Web from the 1990s. Similarly, by providing a universal programmable blockchain and packaging it up into a client that anyone can use, the Ethereum project hopes to do the same for finance, P2P commerce, distributed governance, and human collaboration as a whole. Now the question is, what will you build on top of Ethereum? In short, Ethereum is a supercomputer that's unstoppable, decentralized, global, open, has unbreakable security protected by the laws of thermodynamics, backed by the most precious resource of all, time itself. Censorship resistant. They said it can't exist. Whoops. Ethereum forgot to ask permission. The first time I deployed to the Ethereum network, it was like experiencing the laws of the universe on a level I'd never known. I'm 35. I've been a professional developer for over 15 years, and I've been coding for over 20 years. This is the first time we've been able to deploy unstoppable, cryptographically secure software that's accessible anywhere in the universe on hardware you don't buy. The game has forever changed. I can't wait to see the same excitement and wonder in your eyes when you see the possibilities ahead. I feel like I need to share my blockchain developer knowledge with the world. I need more people to work with. I need thousands of people to start building on this Ethereum platform yesterday. For now, please subscribe, like, and share.